Welcome. Thanks for joining again another fun activity day with learning math with blocks. And today we're going to be doing subtraction, the first activity in subtraction. And remember, the first thing we do is we start with exploring blocks. So we're just going to do some free time to explore. And you can explore in any way you like. I'm just going to start putting some blocks together. You can put your blocks together any way you like. I like to get out a variety of colors. See how many different colors I have. Put them together. Let's see here. I'm going to spend about 5 minutes putting these together. We're going to be talking about subtraction today. We're going to enjoy talking about subtraction. Subtraction can be kind of fun, especially once you understand a little bit about subtraction. So we are going to just put some blocks together. It looks a little bit like a stairway, or maybe a, I guess it could be a pyramid. Subtraction is very much related to addition, where we put things together in addition. Subtraction, a little bit different. We kind of take things away, or sometimes we use the term compare them. Compare one number to another. So we'll be doing some of that today. But right now we're just going to see how we can put blocks together. We're going to do this for about 5 minutes. And we're just exploring. And you can explore any way you like. Any color, any size blocks that you like to use. Two. Kind of cool looking. Good job, everybody. You put away your blocks after exploring, and now it's time to talk about subtraction. And we're going to start off with activity number 1 in subtraction, which is some pretty simple concepts of subtraction, but very, very powerful. So let's start with some blocks here. And I'm going to put them, I can put them on the base block here if I want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start off with, let's 7 blocks. So I've got 7 here. And let's take 4 blocks away. And what would we get if we took 4 away from these 7? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll take these blocks away. And what will we have? We'll have 3 blocks left over. 3 blocks. So 7 minus 4, these are the 4 that we minused, took away, and we have 3 left. That's one way of looking at subtraction. The take away, take some blocks away method. There's another way of looking at subtraction. It's kind of the compare method. And I like that one. It's very, very useful in the real world. Let's put 4 blocks here. Here we have 7. We're going to put 4 blocks right beside it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called comparing. So if we compare 4 with 7, what would be the difference? What's different about them? Well, this 7 has 3 that are different, right? So 7 compared to 4, the difference would be 3. That's another way of looking at subtraction. Let's try another simple problem. Let's see. We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's compare that with 4. 5 minus 4. What would be the difference? The difference would be just 1. The difference between 5 and 4 is just 1 block. 5 minus 4 is 1. Let's try another one. Here's 4. Let's compare that with 4. What's the difference between 4 and 4? Well, they're the same. There's 0 difference. 0. They're the same. And maybe let's just try one more. Maybe 6 minus 3. What would be the difference between 6 and 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. What's the difference? What's different? 3. 1, 2, 3. That's what's different between 3 and 6. So that's the comparing method of subtraction. Could always be doing just the simple take things away. 6 take away 3, and you have 3 left. So that's our first activity to help us understand subtraction. It's the difference. What's different? So thanks very much. Now it's time for us to get our paper out and color what we did. Okay, now it's time for us to make a picture of what we've done. Now you can download the graph paper from the website that you see below this YouTube, or we can color on just regular plain white paper if you don't have graph paper. So let's go ahead. Today I will use just plain white paper, and we'll make our picture on just plain white paper. And the first thing we're going to do is our subtraction problem. We're going to make a picture of our 7 minus 4 equals 3. So let's make 7 1-dot blocks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you make a mistake, that's alright, just correct it. I like to put the little circles in here. You don't have to. You can just make the squares, the blocks. And we're going to take 3 away. Or excuse me, we're going to take 4 away. So let's just circle 4. And what did we have? 3. 7 minus 4 was 3. Let's also put down our comparing model. We'll put our 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. What happens? What is the difference between 7 and 4? The difference between 7 and 4 is 3. 7 compared to 4, there's a difference of 3. Let's write our 5 minus 4 problem. Let's put down 5 minus 4 equals, what did it equal? Let's see if we can figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's put down 4 and compare them and see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's the difference? The difference of 5 and 4 is 1. Just this guy here. Let's color these while we're at it. Let's see, I like black, so I'm going to put black here. And maybe I'll color this one black. And do a couple that are red. Or maybe a lot of them that are red. Well, let's do blue. Blue's good. And what if we do white? What happens if we do white? Huh. I can't really see any difference at all when I color it on white paper. Let's try yellow. I can see a difference there. So we've got our 7 minus 4 equals 3 colored. Let's do our 5 minus 4. Looks like I went outside the lines there a little bit on that one. Let's do some blue. Blue's an awesome color for blocks, I think. So we've got two different ways of looking at subtraction. We've got it where we can just take blocks away, and we've got it where we can compare. I'm going to do one last one as we color. I'm going to do the 4 minus 4. You can color all of the ones we did, or just a couple. Let's do 4 minus 4. What did that equal? Let's make 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's put another 4 down and compare them. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we compare these, what do we get? Well, they're the same. They're equal. There's nothing different. Nothing. In math, we write a 0 for nothing. And let's do some coloring. You can make all your blocks one color if you like. There we've colored 4 compared to 4, and there's nothing different. Let's take our time and write a little something about subtraction. And you can write what you think subtraction is. I'm going to write what I think it is. Subtraction. Subtraction is when we take some blocks away, or when we compare C-O-M-P-A-R-E two groups of blocks and see what is different. 2 F's. I'll put my name here. I won't get my artwork mixed up with someone else's. I'll give myself a little star and a check. Awesome. Now it's time for us to mark our progress charts. Okay, if you downloaded your progress chart and you put your name on it, we'll be doing subtraction, so we can mark the subtraction. First activity done. Look, we've already done quite a bit. And we have lots more activities to do. And if you didn't download, you can always color, make your own progress chart. I'm going to put subtraction here. Subtraction. And I'll put a block here to keep track of what we did. We did the first activity. And I'll make it blue, just for fun. There. We've made progress. We want to mark it and put these with all your papers so you can keep track. Good job. I want to thank everybody for joining today. We had a very nice time, I think. I did. Trying to understand subtraction. We all use subtraction every day in our lives. So it's fun to kind of understand subtraction. So I guess we'll have to say, at this point it's time to say, oh, I almost ate two. Let's see. Nothing. Nothing. I think we're good. So don't forget to subscribe. I guess I'm going to say goodbye.